Hi everyone. This video I'm going to talk about how we should choose the perfect PTZ camera for us. Well, the PTZ camera, is going to be for mostly surveillance purposes, so the video quality is really important. We don't want to get blurry images. Mostly there are 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels in the market. So 2 megapixel PTZ cameras, they are very good for zooming close images. So if you want to get real detailed images, 2 megapixels will be good enough. But if we're going to zoom in far away, then 5 megapixel PTZ cameras are a better choice. It doesn't matter which one we choose, but we have to know that our camera's resolution has to match our recorder's resolution. If our recorder's resolution is too low, it cannot properly process the image and we might get some errors when they're coming out. Next, it's installation. So when we're installing it, we have to consider we're installing inside or outside, where we're going to install it, if it's high or low, because it's a pretty big device. Usually we would install it on the rooftops. In this case, we have to make sure that it does not really bother us when we're walking around every day, because if our roof is too low, we might bump into it or might not provide very good images. And if we're installing outside, we have to make sure they can resist the weather. It can release heat easily, because when it's outside, the function might go on and on. The device will sometimes overheat a little. If the heat releasing feature is not that good, it might overheat. That will damage our device. And then, because since most of the cameras are PoE now, so we don't have to worry about outlets. We have to make sure we have the right amount of PoE Ethernet cable. And after that, we have to make sure the features are what we need. Most of the Pan-Tilt-Zoom cameras have night vision now, so they have infrareds around the camera, the lens, so this will help us look clearly in the dark. And also, the waterproof, everything, this and that. There are a lot of features on the control panel, which I'll show you guys in our next videos. Our future videos will show a lot of surveillance plans. It will let it go surveillance certain points in certain times, because it can zoom all the way around. It zooms 360 degrees maybe. It can panel 360 degrees, turn around 360 degrees, but we can't actually capture all 360 degrees. So it was really convenient to set up surveillance plans. And if you are interested, we can also extend this to let it have a visual at 600 meters, because most of them can only reach a visual at 200, almost 300 meters. But we can use PoE technology, extend the Ethernet cable, and let the device have a clear visual at 600 meters. If you guys have any more questions, you can leave it at the section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.